Hello students, today we are going to start the second chapter of 8th standard, that is linear equation in one variable. Now before starting the chapter, we'll discuss on basic concepts. Now first of all, what is meant by variable? Now what is meant by variable? Variable means something that can change. Its value is not fixed. It takes some different values. For example, let us see 2x plus 3. Instead of x, we can put any value. The another example, x square plus 2xy plus 3. Instead of x and y, we can take or we can put any value. So the value is changing. So these are the variables. Okay. Now what is meant by now? We will see constant. Now what is meant by the constant? A symbol which is used in algebra which has a fixed value. For example, 8 minus 8, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, okay, 4 whole and 3 by 2, etc. These are the constants. What are they? These are the constants which has a fixed value. Its value is not changing, its value is fixed. Okay, so the variables and constant, the combination of variables and constant becomes the algebraic expressions. Now let us see the next point is that is algebraic expressions. What is meant by algebraic expressions? The combination of constants and variables which may or may not be separated by the mathematical operations. For example, here 3x plus 2, x 2x square minus 3x plus 2. These are the variables x, and multiply by the constant and add is plus constant. Okay, these are the terms. 2x square is a one term, 3x is one term, and 2 is one term. These terms are separated by addition and subtraction. Okay, and the constant is multiplied to the variable. Okay, so constant and variables, okay, separated by the mathematical operations are called the algebraic expressions. Okay. Now what is the difference between the expression and equation? In expression there is no equality sign, but in equation there is equality sign. That is the difference. Let us see difference between the expression and equation. By the we will see this concept we will understand by the Venn diagram, by drawing the Venn diagrams here. Now this is consider this is the expressions, and what is common between the expression and equation we will write here, and this is the equation. Now I will write here some equations. I have told you that there is a equality sign in equation. Okay, an expression in expression there is no equality sign. Okay, 1 by x plus 2x, these all are the expressions, and in equation there should be the equality sign. What is common? In both there are variables, both there are constants, means there are numbers. What is common? There are constants. In both there is constants. Okay, both in there are variables also common. And what is common? mathematical operations are there. Mathematical operations are there. These are the common thing in between the expression and equation. What? In equation there is equality sign. Equal sign. Equality sign is there. And there is no equal sign. In this, no equal sign. Now, goal of the equation is to solve. And goal of this expression is to simplify. हम इक्वेशन सॉल्व करते हैं एंड एक्सप्रेशन कोई डाटा है वो सिंप्लीफिकेशन के फॉर्म में लिखना है तो हम वो इसलिए हम एक्सप्रेशन के फॉर्म में हम वो लिखते हैं. गॉट इट? नाउ लेट अस मूव द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. व्हाट इज द लीनियर एक्सप्रेशन? नाउ linear expression. Now if the expression in which the highest power of the variable is 1 is called linear expression. For example, 2x plus 3. In this expression, highest power of the variable is 1. Therefore, this is a linear expression. Okay. Now, our heading, our name of our topic is that linear equation in one variable. Now, what will be the definition of linear equation in one variable? Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation means the highest power of the variable is 1. In one variable means there should be one variable. So, an equation containing one variable with the highest power of variable is 1 is called a linear equation in one variable. For example, here 9x plus 3. Okay, equality sign should be there in equation. 3x plus 8 is equal to 3. You can write any example. Okay, these are the definition of linear equation in one variable. In this equation there is only one variable and the highest power of the variable is 1. So these are the examples of linear equation in one variable. Got it? Okay, let us take one example. How to solve the linear equation, we'll see. Let us take one example here. Find the solution of 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Now, find the solution of 2x minus 3 is equal to 7 means what? We have to find the value of x. Solution of equation means what? If the value of variable satisfies this equation, then we can say that is the solution of that equation. Okay. Now, what is given? 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Whatever the given, you have to write as it is only. After that, 2x I have written as it is equal to again as it is. Now minus 3 transposing to the RHS. 3 is transposing to the RHS, then it becomes minus का plus बन जाएगा. Okay, 7 keep as it is, minus 3 with side change it becomes plus 3. Or transposing to the RHS, or you can say minus 3 is side change, it becomes plus 3. 2x is equal to 7 plus 3, 10. Now 2 is in multiplication of x, so x as write as it is, 10 divided by 2 is in multiplication, it goes in division. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, so 5 divided by 1 x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 5 by 1 means 5. X is equal to 5 is the solution of given equation. So at the last you can say, therefore x is equal to 5 is the solution of given equation. Okay, got it? Okay, today we will stop here. We will see the next further problems in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.